Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you own a Hyundai, or you're thinking about getting one, this video is going to completely change the way you use your car. Because here's the thing, Hyundai has been quietly packing their vehicles with some incredibly clever features, and most owners never find out about them. Not because they're hard to use, but because nobody tells you they exist. You flip through a 500-page owner's manual once, give up on page 12, and that's it. Thousands of dollars worth of technology just sitting there, untouched. Today we're fixing that. We're going through 10 hidden Hyundai features that are actually built into the car you already own, or one very close to it. Some of these will save you time, some will save you from embarrassing situations, and at least one of them is going to make you feel like your car just got a secret upgrade overnight. So let's get into it. Feature number 1, the auto flush window trick. Let's start with something that bothers every single person who has ever installed an aftermarket window tint, or even just noticed their door windows don't sit perfectly flush when you close them. Here's a feature most Hyundai owners have no idea exists. Your windows can be programmed to automatically drop a few millimeters the moment you open the door, and then rise back up, perfectly flush, once the door is fully closed. This is called the auto flush window function, and it's designed to eliminate that slight pressure difference you feel when you close a well-sealed door. On most modern Hyundai models, you can actually calibrate this yourself through the window regulator reset procedure. You hold the window switch down until the window reaches the bottom, then hold it for a few extra seconds, then pull it all the way up and hold it again. Once the system relearns its travel limits, the auto flush behavior kicks in properly. Now, why does this matter? Because improperly calibrated windows are actually one of the sneaky reasons why wind noise creeps in at highway speeds. If you've ever thought your Hyundai is louder on the freeway than it should be, this is one of the first things worth checking. A properly calibrated window seals tighter, and that makes a real difference in cabin quietness, especially in the Tucson, Sonata, and Elantra, which are engineered to be genuinely quiet cars. Feature number 2, one-touch folding mirrors with a memory twist. You probably already know that many Hyundais have power folding side mirrors. Press the button, mirrors fold in, great. But what most people miss is the layer of intelligence underneath that feature. On vehicles equipped with the memory seat package, which is more common than you'd think, even on mid-tier trims, the mirror position is actually linked to the driver profile. That means if you share the car with a partner or family member, your mirror angles are stored separately for each driver profile. When you adjust the driver's seat and it snaps to your saved position, the mirrors are moving to your saved angles at the exact same time. The car is essentially reconstructing your personal driving environment the moment you sit down. But here's the part people miss. There's also a setting on several Hyundai models that automatically tilts the passenger side mirror downward when you shift into reverse. It shows you the curb line so you can judge your distance when parallel parking. This setting is buried in the driver assistance or mirror settings menu on the infotainment screen. And on a lot of cars, it ships from the factory turned off. Go turn it on. Once you've used it, you will never park without it again. Feature number 3, the hidden highway driving assist behavior. If your Hyundai has highway driving assist, and if it's a model from the last 4 or 5 years, there's a solid chance it does. You might think you already know how it works. It keeps you centered in the lane, it manages your following distance, it handles the monotony of long highway drives. Yes, but there's a behavior baked into the system that almost nobody notices until someone points it out. When Highway Driving Assist detects that the vehicle in front of you has changed lanes or pulled away, it doesn't immediately accelerate back to your set speed. It pauses. It looks ahead for a fraction of a second longer than feels natural, essentially scanning the newly revealed space in front of you before committing to the acceleration. This is intentional. It's a safety buffer designed to account for objects or slower-moving vehicles that were previously hidden behind the car in front. The reason this matters is that most drivers, when they first use the system, think it's being slow or glitchy. They'll tap the accelerator to override it. But if you understand what the system is doing, you realize it's actually being smarter than a human reflex would be. It's worth trusting it on open highway stretches. The system also remembers your preferred following distance setting between drive cycles on most trims, so you only need to set it once. Feature number 4, the quiet mode. Nobody talks about This one is specifically for Hyundai IONIQ models and some of the newer Santa Fe and Tucson hybrids, but it's remarkable enough that it deserves its own spotlight. These vehicles have what's essentially a stealth mode for low-speed driving in neighborhoods or parking garages, situations where engine noise would otherwise be negligible, but where the vehicle's systems might still kick in unnecessarily. On the IONIQ 6 and IONIQ 5 in particular, there's a pedestrian warning sound setting that you can customize. But beyond that, there's also a cabin sound control system that actively manages what you hear inside the car based on driving mode. In the right mode, the car will suppress road noise amplification, reduce HVAC fan speed automatically, and prioritize a near-silent cabin experience. Some owners discover this completely by accident after switching drive modes and suddenly feeling like they're in a different car. The key is exploring the sound mode or drive mode settings all the way to their submenus. Most people pick Eco or Sport and call it a day. But the deeper customization layers, where you can blend the regenerative braking feel, the steering weight, and the ambient sound profile, are where Hyundai's engineers actually spent a lot of their time. Feature number 5. Remote Smart Parking Assist. This is one of the most genuinely futuristic features Hyundai has shipped on production vehicles, and a surprising number of owners either don't know it exists or assume it only works in theory. Remote Smart Parking Assist, RSPA, lets you move your car forward or backward from outside the vehicle using only the key fob. You press and hold the lock or unlock button on the fob, and the car drives itself in or out of a tight parking space while you stand outside and watch. No hands on the wheel, no foot on the pedal. The car does it entirely on its own. This is available on the Sonata, the Tucson, and several other models depending on trim level. Why would you actually use this? Think about any situation where you've pulled into a space and realize the car next to you parks so close that you physically cannot open your door without hitting their vehicle. Instead of the awkward climbing over the center console maneuver, you just get out before you pull in fully, finish parking the car with the fob, and walk away like the vehicle basically parks itself. Because it does. The range is short and the speed is very slow, which is exactly what you want. It's not meant to replace a parking sensor. It's a practical solution to a very specific real-world frustration, and it works. Feature number 6, the battery saver. You're probably ignoring. Here's a feature that flies completely under the radar, but can genuinely save you from a dead battery on a cold morning. On many Hyundai models with the BlueLink connected car system, there is a battery charge level monitor that you can check remotely from your phone. But the feature within that system that people miss is the scheduled charging limit for hybrid and electric models, paired with a battery care mode that manages the state of charge during long periods of inactivity. If you know you're going to leave your Hyundai IONIQ or hybrid Tucson or Sonata hybrid sitting in a garage or a long-term parking lot for more than a few days, you can set the car to maintain a specific charge threshold rather than sitting at 100%. Lithium batteries don't love sitting fully charged or fully depleted for extended periods. The battery care mode holds the charge in the middle of its optimal range, which over time genuinely preserves the long-term health of your battery pack. This is the kind of feature that doesn't show up in any highlight reel because the benefits are invisible until they're not. Hyundai's battery warranty is already among the best in the industry, but the owners who understand and use this feature are the ones who will likely see the least degradation over years of ownership. Feature number 7, the driving score that actually teaches you something. Hyundai's cluster display and BlueLink app both include a driving score feature. And before you roll your eyes at the idea of your car grading you like a driving instructor, hear this out. The system isn't just scoring you for insurance company purposes. The data it's tracking, your braking smoothness, your acceleration profile, your cornering behavior, is actually a useful mirror for seeing habits you didn't know you had. A lot of people discover through this system that they brake much harder than they think they do, or that their highway fuel economy is being gutted by a habit of aggressive merging followed by immediate braking. The score gives you a number, but the breakdown behind the score gives you something more valuable, a pattern. And for Hyundai hybrid and EV owners especially, improving your score has a direct and measurable impact on range. Smooth, anticipatory driving in an IONIQ 5 or a Tucson hybrid isn't just safer, it can add real kilometers to your range per charge or tank. The drivers who learn to drive for efficiency using this feedback loop consistently report better real-world range numbers than the official estimates. Feature number 8, the rear occupant alert that could save a life. This one is not a fun party trick. This one is important. and it deserves to be talked about plainly. Many current Hyundai models include a rear occupant alert system, and it does exactly what the name says. It detects movement in the rear seat area after the driver exits the vehicle, and it sends an alert to the driver's phone through BlueLink. The system uses ultrasonic sensors to detect motion in the cabin after the car is locked and the driver has walked away. If something moves, a child, a pet, anything, the car honks its horn and pushes a notification to the paired smartphone. On some models, this alert is active by default. On others, you need to switch it on manually in the vehicle settings menu. This is one of those features worth checking right now, regardless of whether you think you'd ever need it. Confirm that it's enabled. Confirm that your BlueLink app is properly paired and receiving notifications. Because the scenario this feature is designed for is one where a moment of distraction has consequences that are permanent and catastrophic, and the technology to prevent it is already in your car. Feature number 9. Personalized lighting zones you've never configured. Hyundai has been expanding ambient interior lighting across more and more of its lineup, and on models where it's available, the Palisade, the Santa Cruz, the IONIQ 6, and others, the level of customization goes well beyond picking a color. Most owners find the ambient lighting setting, pick blue or orange, and move on. But the system on higher-spec vehicles lets you set different lighting zones independently. The footwell, the door panels, the dashboard trim, and the center console can often be assigned different colors and brightness levels. More usefully, on some models, the lighting can be set to respond to drive mode changes automatically. So your cabin shifts from a calm white in eco mode to a sharper red in sport mode without you touching anything. It's a small thing, but it changes the feel of the car in a way that's hard to describe until you experience it. There's also, on several models, a setting that dims the ambient lighting automatically when the cabin noise level drops, essentially when music volume goes down or conversation quiets, to reduce visual distraction during focused driving. These micro-responsive behaviors are why Hyundai's interior designers have been winning awards. The car is reacting to you constantly in ways you'd only notice if someone told you to look for them. Feature number 10. The over-the-air update you might have already missed. This last one is both a feature and a call to action. Hyundai has been rolling out over-the-air software updates to connected vehicles, and unlike some manufacturers who make a big announcement every time, Hyundai's updates often arrive quietly. Navigation map updates, infotainment improvements, driver assistance calibration tweaks, these can all be pushed to your vehicle wirelessly while it's sitting in your driveway. The catch is that you have to actually tell the car to check. On most BlueLink-equipped Hyundais, there's a software update menu in the settings section of the infotainment screen. Sitting inside that menu might be an update that's been waiting for you for weeks. Some of these updates have fixed real issues, improved response times on the touchscreen, smoother highway driving assist behavior, better BlueLink connectivity. One update on the IONIQ 5 improved the car's one-pedal driving response based on widespread driver feedback. That's a real change to how the car drives, delivered silently over the internet. Go check right now, or set the system to check automatically during overnight charging if you have an EV or PHEV. Your car might already be smarter than it was when you drove it off the lot. It just hasn't told you yet. And that's the 10. Every single one of these features is real, available on Hyundai vehicles right now, and almost certainly underused by the majority of owners who have them. Hyundai has quietly become one of the most technologically interesting brands in the world. And a lot of that work is hidden inside cars that people think they already fully understand. If this video helped you discover something new about your Hyundai, drop a comment below and tell me which feature you're going to try first. I genuinely love to know. And if you found a hidden Hyundai trick that I didn't cover here, share it. There's a solid chance it becomes part of a follow-up video, because there are honestly more of these than fit into a single video. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. There's more content like this coming, and you don't want to find out about it 3 months late. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.